Hi, everybody. Come on into the classroom. Check this out. Inside each of these colorful eggs is an animal. Let's open up each of the eggs and see what animal is inside. Let's start with this blue egg. Wonder what it could be. Ooh. Do you know what animal that is? It's a sheep. Come over here, sheep. Let's try another one. How about this yellow one? Oh, it makes a pretty big sound. Let's see what's inside. Aha! Do you know what animal this is? It's a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Let's have the pig come over with the sheep. Let's try this big purple egg. This is a big one. Must be a big animal inside. It is! An elephant. They make a big sound. With their big trunks. How about we try this orange egg? I wonder what it could be. Oh. Do you know what animal this is? A cow. Come over here, cow. Let's open the green egg. Oh. This one doesn't make any sound. I wonder what's inside. Let's open it up. Oh, a lion. Roar. Okay, lion, come on over here. What should we open next? How about this big orange one? Yeah. Let's see what's inside. Aha! What animal's that? It's a tiger. Roar. How about this blue one? Let's see. Oh. I know what animal this is. I see them all the time. A dog. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Come on over here, doggy. How about this green egg? Yeah. Oh, this doesn't make a sound either. Let's see what's inside. Aha! A monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ooh, ooh, ooh. Come swing on over here, Mr. Monkey. Let's open another big one. How about this big yellow one? Yeah. Ooh, let's see what's inside. Oh, do you know what animal this is? That's a rhinoceros. They have big horns on their nose. Big rhino. Let's open this orange one. No sound. I hope there's something inside. Let's see. Yeah, there is. Another animal with stripes. A zebra. Come on over here. Got a couple more. Let's open the purple egg. Purple's a nice color. Oh, it's just a soft little sound. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this kind of looks like the zebra. It's a donkey. They go, ee-yaw, ee-yaw. How about this orange egg? Ooh, it's making a lot of sound. Hey, look at this. It's a gorilla. Gorillas like to thump their chest. Like this. Thump, 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 thump. Just a few more. How about we open this blue one? Let's see what's inside. Hey, do you know what animal that is? It's a seal. Arr, 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 arr. Seals make fun sounds. Let's open this yellow one. It makes a big sound. I wonder what could be in there. Hey, it's kind of like a seal. That's a walrus. They have big tusks. Come on over here, walrus. Let's open this pink one. Oh, it must be something pretty big. Let's open it up. Oh, that's a polar bear. It's a bear that's all white. 2 left. Let's open the big yellow one. What could it be? Oh, this is a tall animal. It's a giraffe. They have really long legs and a long neck, so they can reach up really tall. You can hang out over here, Mr. Giraffe. And an orange egg. That's our last one. Let's see what's inside. Do you know what animal that is? It's a horse, of course. Nay! Now we have all these animals. And they all look different, and they all live in different places too. Let's put the animals in the place where they can live. Here we go. Some of these animals can live on a farm. Some of them can live in the wide open plains. Some of them can live in the hot jungle. And some of them can live where it's cold with lots of ice and snow. What about this animal? The cow. Where would a cow like to live? Could a cow live where it's cold and icy? No. A cow would live on a farm. Let's put the cow in the farm. There. What about a polar bear? That's that bear with all white fur. Where does a polar bear like to live? Would a polar bear like to live in the hot, humid jungle? No. Polar bears like to live where it's cold. Yeah, they could live where it's cold and icy. How about a lion? Roar! Where does a lion live? Lion lives in the plains. We'll put the lion underneath the tree here. They like to laze under the tree in the shade. How about this animal? A monkey. Woo, 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 ha, ha, ha. Where does a monkey live? Could a monkey live on a farm? That would be silly. A monkey could live in the jungle, swinging from tree to tree. Ooh, 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 ah, 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 ah. Yeah, the monkey can live in the jungle. Where would a pig live? Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Would a pig live with the polar bear? Or the lion? Pigs live on a farm. Yeah, let's put the pig here in the mud. They would like to roll around in the mud. That'd be a happy pig. Where would a tiger live? Roar. A tiger can live in the jungle. We know the song Walking in the Jungle, where they see a tiger. Roar. What about a giraffe? Where can a giraffe live? Would a giraffe live where it's cold and icy? No. A giraffe likes to live in the plains where they can eat all the leaves. We'll put the giraffe there. We can have a snack. Where would a donkey live? Yeah. Yeah. Donkeys live on the farm. I'll put him here inside the pasture. What about a rhinoceros? Ooh, they're a big animal with that horn on their nose. Where would a rhinoceros live? Would a rhinoceros live with the cows and the pigs? No. A rhinoceros would live here in the plains, maybe by some water. There. What about a walrus? They have those big tusks. Walrus likes to live by the water, and they can live where it's cold and icy. I'll put this walrus here on this floating piece of ice in the water. Where would a zebra live? Zebras have beautiful black stripes. They look like a donkey that lives on the farm, but zebras, they like to live out in the plains where there's lots of room to run and gallop. There you go, zebra. How about a horse? A horse kind of looks like a zebra too. Where would a horse live? A horse can live on the farm. We'll put him in the barn. Some horses are wild, but we see lots of horses living on farms. There you go. How about a gorilla? Where would a gorilla like to live? Would a gorilla like to live where it's cold and icy? No. What about in the jungle? Yeah, a gorilla can live in the jungle and swing from the vines, hang out on the trees. There you go, gorilla. What about this animal? They go ba ba. A sheep. Where would a sheep live? A sheep would live on the farm. This is a busy farm, lots of animals. Where would an elephant live? Their big trunk. Does an elephant like to live where it's cold and icy? Or on a farm? No, elephants like to have lots of room to move around because they're so big. They'd like to live on the plains. There you go. Feeling pretty good. Where would a seal live? Arr, 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 arr. Now, seals can live where it's icy and cold too, as long as there's some water. Let's put this seal over here by his walrus friend, hanging out by the water where it's icy and cold. One more animal. This is one we probably see a lot. A dog. Woof, 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 woof. Where would a dog live? In the jungle with the tigers and the monkey? No. Would the dog live where it's icy and cold with the polar bear and the seal? No. Would a dog live in the plains with the lion and the giraffe? Nope. A dog is happy on the farm, at home. There. Woof, 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 woof. We got all the animals in their happy home. Nice work, everybody. We'll see you soon. That was lots of fun. Sure was. You should subscribe. Already did. Woo!